How to set up Amazon ads. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and register yourself for Amazon ads account, no matter if you are a reseller or a buyer. To register, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for advertising.amazon.com. Further, choose the appropriate advertising solution. Amazon offers various advertising options tailored to different needs. You can choose from sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored displays. Once selected, set up your first campaign. Tap on the Create Campaign option and select the desired ad, example, sponsored products. Define your campaign settings including name, duration, and daily budget. Now choose between automatic targeting or manual targeting. Further, determine how much you are willing to pay per click. Amazon offers bidding strategies like dynamic bids and fixed bids to optimize your ad spend. Finally, launch the campaign. Also, make sure to monitor and optimize your campaign, that is, performance tracking, adjust bids and budget, and refine targeting. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage account ads to promote your products and reach a wider audience. So, this is how you can set up Amazon ads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.